In this question, we have to find out what number is 6 more than x plus y. And how do we translate this? So 6 more than x. We basically need to find out what is the value of 6 plus x plus y. Now, to be able to find the value of this, we either need absolute values of x and y, or you need the value of x plus y as a whole. Okay, so once we know what we have to look for in the statements, we will move on to step 2 and start with statement 1. Statement 1 tells me that y is 3 less than x. Now, if we translate this into an equation, we have y equals x minus 3. But does this help me? Let's see. If I just plug in the value of y, I have 6 plus x minus 3. It does not, right? I just get 3 plus 2x. I don't know the value of x. I don't know the value of y. So statement 1 is definitely not sufficient. And out of the given answer choices, I will eliminate answer choice A and D. Now let's move on to step 2. Step 2 tells me that y equals twice of x. Now at the most, what I can do is I can write this as 6 plus x plus 2x. And this gives me 6 plus 3x. Again, no value of x, no value of y, which you can obviously conclude or infer from the by looking at the statements itself. So B is definitely not going to be the answer. We'll move on to the last step, which is step 3, and look at both the statements together. So from statement 1, I have y equals x minus 3, and from statement 2, I have y equals 2x. So both these are the values of y, right? I can equate the two equations. I get 2x equals x minus 3, and this gives me x equals minus 3. So now I have the absolute value of x. Can I find the absolute value of y? Definitely, using the information in statement 2. So since y equals 2x, we have 2 times minus 3, which is minus 6. And hence, I can find out the value of 6 plus x plus y. Now, you don't have to do this, since you know you have the absolute values and you will be able to find the answer, and the statements will be sufficient. So, since I know the statements together will be sufficient, I have the absolute values. I will go ahead and mark the answer option C, because both the statements together are sufficient to answer my question.